Glycolysis. The first process of cellular respiration is glycolysis, which occurs in the cytoplasm. In this step, the glucose molecule splits and forms into two pyruvates.
This is the glucose molecule. With the help, that becomes...
With the addition of two ATP molecules, a pyruvate with 3 carbon molecules forms, producing 4 ATP molecules as a result of this process. In addition, the 2 NAD+ molecules each gain an electron and become 2 NADH. Pyruvate processing. This next step, called pyruvate processing, occurs in the mitochondrial matrix to prepare the pyruvates for the Krebs cycle. The 2 NAD+ obtain 1 electron, each making it become 2 NADH. The 2 pyruvates found in the mitochondrial matrix reacted with the coenzymes to produce 2 acetyl-CoA, and 2 carbon dioxide molecules are released.
This next step is called the Krebs cycle, which also takes place in the mitochondrial matrix. There are currently 2 acetyl-CoA present in the matrix. For each acetyl-CoA, 3 NADH are formed for a total of 6. The NADs each obtain 1 electron to form NADH. There are currently 2 FAD molecules present in the mitochondrial matrix. Each molecule gains 2 electrons, forming 2 FADH2. Finally, 4 carbon dioxide molecules are released. One ATP is generated per acetyl-CoA that is present, so 2 ATP are generated in all. Okay. The last step, called the electron transport chain, occurs in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The 10 NADH are present in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. So the 10 NADH and 2 FADH2 lose electrons. These electrons are passed to a series of increasingly electronegative electron acceptors until 6 oxygen molecules are formed. Each oxygen molecule gains 4 electrons each, forming 6 H2O molecules. This is still occurring in the inner membrane. Energy that is released as electrons move down the electron transport chain is used to pump protons into the inner membrane. Into the inner membrane space. These protons return to the mitochondria along the concentration gradient and will enter the ATP synthase. The hydrogen reacts with ADP to create ATP as Pi, or organic phosphate, combines with ADP. 32 to 34 ATP molecules are formed. Okay. Yeah.